as we dealt regarding in the previous session, how to create an update set and what is an update set, and how to capture the customizations and how to promote them by using export to XML. And today we'll see like the advanced format of promoting the update set, like the remote instance, where we need to gather the two instance details like the username along with password along with the URL of the instance which you want to promote. Let's make the general instance as a dev instance, like we have multiple tables and we done from scratch to end here, and we have a test instance without any tables, like it is a fresh instance, I assume that. And we are promoting the customizations from the dev to test by using this remote instance. I'll go with first step by step what should we do in our test instance or the dev instance. The first step will be gathering the information, gathering the credentials or credentials information like username and password, all these details as we gathered in the top, like username, password, instance name, and instance URL. We need to gather the credential information of both dev instance along with test instance. And second point will be, or second step will be, we need to create a remote instance in the test instance, like in the test environment, not in the dev instance. Okay, we need to create a remote instance in the test environment and save the form or save the remote instance form. Let's see, in our perspective, the test instance is 284495. Let's go for this scenario and click on filter navigator, type remote instance. Under team development, we have remote instances. Click on this application module, and where we can see like empty records because we haven't created any remote instances till now. Click on new button to create a new remote instance. We can see like for the test instance we don't have any our logo, it is a default logo, and just give the name here like demo for B26 2025 is my remote instance name. Just I'm giving for the demo purpose, it will be different in the real time. And make options like it is development, production, or test instance, depends on your criteria. I just make it as test right now. And here it is asking the URL. You need to give the URL of the dev instance and the username of dev instance and password of the dev instance. Okay, let's see what is the URL of our dev instance. URL is this. Copy this URL and paste it here in our test environment. Click on this lock icon and it will open, and it allows you to write the text. Paste the URL here and click on lock to avoid some mistakes or errors. Okay, and I know the username. The username is admin, and I need to copy the password of our dev instance. The password will be the combination of both alphabets and numbers and symbols. And paste the password here in the password column, and just mention short description as testing purpose. And before submitting this record, first you need to test the connection regarding these credentials are right or wrong, or the URL is perfectly working. And as we know, the prerequisites regarding the remote instances, both instances should be on the same version. Okay, these two relays are like these two instances are in the same version. I have checked before and I'll show you later. Like, click on this test connection for testing these URL credentials method right or wrong. Click on test connection and it should show OK. Okay, it should show OK. Then the credentials along with this URL are right, currently working or active. Let me make it as admin. Okay, I'm just changing the like username as admin to, I'm replacing N with M, and click on test connection. Let's see what it happens. It is showing as authentication to remote instances failed because the username is different from what it is. Okay, just rename it to the exact one and click on test connection and see it should populate as connection is okay. Then only we need to submit this record. Okay, submit, or you can save this record. Clear? And then the next step will be, after giving this username and password, after clicking on test connection, and after saving this remote instance form, the next step will be, we have a UI action button called retrieve completed update sets. In this instance, you can check like what are the completed update sets. Go for this globe icon, go for update sets, click on this list icon, and you can see how many are completed till now.
One.
Only one. Let's see whether it captures this completed update set or not. It's showing as retrieve completed update sets. Then you need to retrieve the completed update sets regarding this connection. Okay. Click on this retrieve completed update sets. Then it takes some time to go for the next instance and check back and get back those customizations. And click on close. It taken only 2 seconds. Just click on close button. And you can see like how many are retrieved here. You can see like retrieved update sets. We have this update set here in my new instance. You can open this remote the retrieved update set, and we have some 21 updates here. You can check here like how many updates are there in my update set which is completed. I think it should be equal, like we have 21 updates here also. And I'll just go to the main part, and we have something called commit update set, which used to commit all these insertions. Like if you want to insert this table in this new instance, then you need to commit this update set. Or if you want to check once again, we have an option called run preview again. Just click on this run preview again for any mistakes or any errors. It is showing us nothing, like we don't have any errors till now. Okay. And just click on commit update set for committing the changes in your instance. Like you can see like in 3 seconds the update set is committed, and you can check the tables, like the table is created or not in your instance or in the test instance. Click on filter navigator, go for the tables under system definition, and you can see like a new table has been created. What's our table name which is created here? India 1947 is our table name. Let's check here. Just go for the label or name u underscore India, and you can check like it is also available in this instance. And you can also check those columns, like the columns will be also same. Click on show form, both forms will be similar. Like we have name, email, address and remarks, and here also we have the same thing. History, go for tables, and we have our 1947 table. Let's u underscore India, sorry. You can click on show form, it will show the form. You can see like in ServiceNow India we have this form, and here also we have the same form. In how many seconds we transferred or promoted this update set? Less than
Less than 1 minute.
less than 5 seconds or 10 seconds. It may be different, like right now I have only 21 updates, but for 1,000 updates or for 15,000 updates it takes a minute, not more than hours. And it is a way to commit and update set and promote them from one instance to another instance. I'll just give by step. First we need to gather the information like credential information, and second would be we need to create a transform map where we want to promote. We want to promote in test instance. That's why I just created a remote instance in the test environment, and I haven't saved. Like just go with check the connection before saving. Check the connection by clicking on test connection. it should populate as connection. Okay, if not, check the URL, username and password. After populating connection, okay, then save the instance record, or make it clear as remote instance record. Then after saving this record, we need to click on retrieve completed update sets. And if you want to check again, like if you have any doubts regarding the updates, you can click on run preview again, and after clicking on retrieve complete update sets, check the update sets which are retrieved. Sorry for the spelling mistake. Okay. Then open the update set and click on commit update set, and wait for committing the changes, and check the relevant changes done or not. Any doubts here, like regarding these 9 points or 9 steps? Can I show you with another example?
Yeah, sure.
Sure, in the sense of I need to go with other example, or I can wind up this.
Yeah, you can go to another example.
Then here I'm just going with my dev instance, and I'm creating like I'm just doing some changes. Before that, I need to set as first, I need to create an update set first, going by local update sets, and I'm creating a new button and just rename previous update set. Just make it as 1313, and just I'm changing the date here. Fine, like demo 2, and I'm just clicking on submit and make current, as it is saves all the updates which are doing right now. You can see like your current update set has been changed to this one. Okay, just close it. Right now the update just start capturing all the changes which are doing in your instance. We have this red button mark like it is recording in the backend. Go to the filter navigator, like make it as tables, and I'm creating a new table here, like a demo table. Click on new button, and just mention as some school admission form, like make it as a clear name, a national school ADM form, or ADM, that's my admission. I just ignore these buttons for time saving, and they've saved this button. Please go on mute. Then you can click on show form. Then I'm creating some columns here. Right click on the column header. Go for configure, go for form layout, and then create the required columns. I just mention as student name, and I just go for reference, and I just refer the sys underscore user table as we have the user data in there. Click on add and just go for father's name. Let me test father name, string, add, mother name, add, some email, add, phone number, add, this remarks, let's go for full length string. Click on add. We have some 6 columns here in our school table, and I'm creating this table in my dev instance which has logo called ServiceNow-INDIA. Just close it, and you can see like we have the form with these 6 columns. We can configure according to our requirement, like according to our taste. Go for configure form design. Like I'm just going with the 2 columns, or you can directly go by form layout also, but form design is very familiar for me and it allows you to create in an easier way. Like I'm just going with the email here, phone number here, and remarks. Okay, just click on save, and then I have done with my customizations, like I have done with my forms. And let's refresh for the updates. Let's see, we have 6 columns which are different in 2 column section wise, and I have done with my work. Like go for update sets, click on this arrow mark, click on this open list button, and open our 1313 story update set and make it as complete. Then click on save. Then you can see like after completion of this update set, the update set goes towards default directly. Okay, and right now we have some 25 updates here, like customer updates. We have 25 updates here. Okay, then the same thing happens, like we have already created these things in our instance called what the instance called as the test instance, where we have done already these things. Let's go for them. Click on filter navigator, go for remote instance, and let me open this existing one because the username and password is same. I don't want to do it again because it doesn't allow the duplication. Just click on test connection before going to that. It is showing as connection is okay. Then close it and click on retrieve completed update sets, and it will retrieve the older one along with the newer one. Okay, because both are in the complete state. Click on close. It has taken only 3 seconds to complete it. Click on close, and you can see like we have 2 things here, like 2 update sets, which is already one is previewed, one is committed. Okay, let's open the newer update set which is retrieved, and we have 25 updates here. And if you want to run again, you can run again. I don't want to make it as twice. Click on commit update set, and then these 6 columns will be available, or this table will be available in this instance also. Let's click on close and go for history and go for tables. Click on filter navigator, tables. Under system definition, we have the tables. You can select national school admission here. You can open this table and you can check the columns which are already there with the customizations or with the form layout things. Click on show form. You can see like the settings are also applied regarding the 2 column wise. Okay, then we have learned like how to create an update set. First thing, and how to capture those customizations. capture the customizations, and the next part will be like how to export or complete the update set, complete the state of update set. And we have learned like how to export the XML file, and we have learned like regarding the remote instance, how to promote from one instance to another instance. Then we have the major parts like backout and merge update set. For example, if any junior developer or any upcoming ServiceNow aspirant has done some mistakes while promoting them, like I have some data here in my table, but I need to improvise this, like I need to customize even better than the junior developer. Then we have an option called backout here. If I click on backout in the dev instance, I'm talking about in the dev instance, if I click on backout, the updates will roll back there, like they called as something called delete in the customization which are done in test instance. Let me write clearly for your understanding what is backout. If anything done wrong while promoting, we can back out entire process. It's called the undo button. Okay, like if you do anything mistake, or if you want to upgrade anything after promoting the instance, like after promoting the update set, then we have an option called backout option. Okay, then we have the merge update sets. For example, I'll just give a glimpse here, like a simple example. I got a requirement for the table creation in the initial stage, like I have given 13 columns. Okay, then I created update set called, let's make it as up1 is my update set name, and then I committed this update set and promoted them. Like I just waiting for the promotion, just I need waiting, I have time for the promotion. And later I got a other requirement to make the same table with some 20 columns, and then I created by mistakenly the second update set called up2. Okay, then I got the some customizations regarding the same table, got with some 18 columns or some 11 columns, and I created some other update set called update set 3. Then these three consists of like which one we will be the latest one.
UB3.
up3
Update
has
set 3.
only
UP3.
three the latest formats, but I need the entire thing, like in the table first update set I captured something, in the update set 2 I captured other thing, like other 7 columns here I just added only 7 columns here. Like we have 13 columns in that, and I just added 7 columns in the update set 2 only, and I deleted some columns called 9 columns here, and I got this update set 3. But I need to merge all these things. For example, if you want to promote these 3 update sets, it takes major time. Regarding those things, I need to merge these update sets into single update set. Okay, it's called merging the update set. Like in merge update set, you can merge multiple update sets into single update set, okay. Then we have something called, other than the merge update set, we have something called batch or bulk update set. Make it as clear as batch update set. They may ask like what is the difference between batch update set and merge update set. Okay, be clear with that what we are doing here. Like 8 point. Batch update set is nothing but while batch updates enable you to grouping the update sets. Like you can group the update sets together, so you can preview and commit in bulk. Batch is nothing but if you have some 7 to like I just giving some example, like if you have some 8 to 15 update sets which you want to promote them, and we can make them as group. Like if you having the update set regarding the user table or the user things or the table formats, where we can batch them regarding with the table name, and where we can group them into different sectors, and where we can promote them individually, like making them into a single update set, like bulk update set. I'll show you how it will be. Let's filter navigator, go for local update sets. If you want to merge update set, I'll just go for first merge update sets. We have merge update sets here. Click on this button, and it is asking the name of the merged set. I just mentioned as some demo merged update set, merged set, and it is asking which you want to merge. I just want to add this one. Okay, and you can see like we have something called 25 updates here, and it is asking merge with another update set. Click on this part, and we need to select different one. 123 is my different set, and you can see like we have 21 update sets here, where we want to update with this one existing one along with which is already existing in the updated list view. Because these are completed, we can't merge them. Like it is already done in the test instance, we need to do in the initial stage of update sets completion work. Let's see, go for merge update sets, and just select the update sets which you want to merge. State is complete, and click on run. We have only two here. Okay, and click on merge. Then here it is asking that, are you sure want to merge these two update sets? You will not be able to undo this action. If you merge once, then we can't retrieve this back. Okay, click on OK. Then this merged update set will be given with a different name. You can see like we have merged set here with a name called merged set. Click on this merged set, and you can see like number of updates are combination of both this update set and the next update set. You can see like 46 here. Is it clear? Can I show you once?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah, sure. That's two ones.
Yeah, go for the filter navigator and just go for the update sets which you want to merge first. And these are the list view. Click on this merge update set related link. And here we have multiple update sets. I don't want to update all the things. Like I want to, like we don't have any things right now. Like I want to merge only this part with the new one, like merge set to make it as some demo. I'm just renaming the name, and filter. Just make it as name starts with M. Click on run, and we have only one thing. I'm just merging one thing here as we don't have the multiple updates here. Click on merge. Please select filter criteria matching two or more update sets. Right now we don't have any update set. I just want to create another one. Click on global. Click on this filter and select name as name starts with M, and like or name starts with what this called as yes. We have 3 here right now. Click on merge, and here we are merging these 4 update sets here. Click on OK. We can see like merge its demo format here, merge it set 2. Let me open this part, and we have some 46 updates here, and these are the merged update sets here. The update sets which are giving these updates will be shown in the right hand side, like in this section. Clear?
Yes, Sharad.
Yes, it's clear.
Then we have the next thing called the major part. Like right now, after completing the existing update set, let me make this point, like go for the list view of the update sets. Right now we are in progress for this double one story. You can check here, like we are right now in the story of like the update set called story 001111, and I'm just making as complete here directly on the list view itself. I'm not opening the form, just click on complete and click on OK here. Okay, it is called save button, and directly we are shifting from the custom update set to which update set?
Global.
Global. For example, if I open this global update set, and let's say I think we have some 100 plus of updates here, like we have 693 update sets. If I make this as complete, then what will be the next update set name? Because if you are completing the state of the custom update sets, then it is going back to the default update set. Then if you got the chance to make the state of default update set as complete, then what will be the next update set name which will take as automatically?
Default one. Let's create a new default one.
Default one. Then after default one, it goes for default 2. If I complete default 3, it goes for default 4. It will be in the incremental format. Let's show you once first. Right now we're in the global default update set. I'm just making it as complete and click on save, and you can see like after default the system will generate another one called as default 1. If I open this default update set once, and if I complete this default 1 also, like the state of default 1, and it creates another update set with the name called default 2. You can see like default 2 is there right now. Just refresh. Okay, we have default 2 here. Then this process will be continuous format after completing all the it will be in the incremental format. Okay, let me write clear like what is the default name of the update set is default. If they ask in the interview that what is the default name, what is the naming convention or name of the system update set is default. If we complete state as complete the state, if you mark state of default as complete, then system will create default 1 under global application scope. Then this continues like default 2 under global, and so on. Clear? Anything doubt till now?